Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm gonna start this video off with making a cup of espresso. I've been drinking that instead of a full cup of coffee. And then I am going to fill up my water jug and start writing out my to-do list. Now that I'm all done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and make my fiber drink. If you've been here for a while, you know I've been drinking Beltway's Super Fiber, and this one has collagen, so it's really good for your skin, your nails, your gut health, all of that good stuff. This is in the flavor watermelon, but I've had several of their other flavors as well. This helps with less bloating, feeling fuller, having that youthful appearance because it does assist with your skin and just like the skin elasticity. And then they also have the super fiber capsules. They're organic and also have a prebiotic fiber. These are really good products I've been using for a very long time, and I do drink it like with my morning routine. It's usually like coffee and water and my fiber drink and green juice and all of that good wellness stuff. Beltway Fiber is also available at Target and Sprouts now, as well as Amazon, which makes it super convenient. If you are looking for a good fiber drink, definitely check them out. I will have a 20% off discount code down below. So in today's reset, we are going to be doing some cleaning, organizing, and I'm also going to be doing some meal prep, which I'm really excited for. I love preparing food for the week so I can save a little bit of time for myself and not have to focus so much on making food. So we did come back from Mexico City. It was really, really fun. We got to celebrate the bride and the groom and their beautiful wedding. We had a lot of fun, you guys. If you saw my Instagram stories, you know we were turning up, and it was a lot, but it was really fun. But by the end of the weekend, I was ready to come back home, rest, and get back into my routine. I do want to thank you guys that were over there following the weekend and your sweet comments and messages. We had a lot of fun, and you never want to take life too serious. You definitely want to get out and have some fun when you can, and we did all together as a family with all of my in-laws, and it was just amazing. It was amazing.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive while
now we're headed into the bathroom. We're gonna do a quick clean in here, just a quick pickup, but I also wanted to take the time to organize my makeup. So I have my travel bag there that's full of my makeup that I took to Mexico City. And when I went to go put it away, I realized how cluttered my makeup space is. So I was just motivated to make some changes in my drawer and in my cabinet and how I store my makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that.
I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a loss, but hard drums and minds on will win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all when I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but hard drums and minds on will win anyway. Slide on me, babe, slide on me, babe. Slide on me, babe, slide on me, babe. Slide on me, babe, slide on me, babe. I wanna make you feel good. Tread on me, babe, tread on me, babe.
So I wanted to start doing this in my videos just so we can get to know each other on a deeper level. I want to know what your favorite or your best piece of advice is to your children. So if you have children, so comment that down below. And I would say my best piece of advice is, besides the fact that we've probably given our children a lot of advice, one of my favorite things is to teach my kids to never stop growing. I wanted them to know that no matter how old they are, no matter how much school they've had, or how much self-improvement they've worked on, that I don't want them to ever stop growing and being the best version of themselves. Growing and learning and self-development and all of that stuff is something that I work on all the time in my life. It's a big part of my life. I just believe that I can always learn more and just be a better version of myself so I can have the best life that I can. So that is something that I have been teaching my kids, and I would love to hear what advice you have.
I know that these are just feelings, but these ones they feel like the heat for just a reason. Slide on me, babe, slide on me, babe. I wanna make you feel good. Tread on me, babe, tread on me, babe. Play a record real smooth. Yeah, slide on me, babe, slide on me, babe. I wanna make you feel good.
So in the drawer, I decided to just go ahead and put my brushes in there, all of my makeup brushes, and then down below I'm going to move that acrylic container or organizer with my makeup in it. I'm going to put on the left side of my cabinet, and then the rest of my hygiene I just moved over to the right. So it is a little bit more convenient for me, and I'm just utilizing more of the space instead of stuffing all of my makeup in that little tiny drawer.
Slide on me, babe, slide on me, babe.
So for the first recipe that I'm going to make today is some overnight oats. I am going to add all of these ingredients. Super simple. I will show you exactly how I do it. So I make these because they are a healthy, quick and easy option that you can just pull out of the refrigerator for breakfast, and you can actually heat them up or eat them cold, and I eat them cold. So next recipe I'm going to make is some homemade parfaits. These are a healthy option, a great way to fuel your body and your brain midday or just whenever you need a pick-me-up snack. It has fiber, healthy fats, and protein in it, and it's, again, easy to make, which I like. So I was definitely hungry at this point, especially making all of this food. I still had some more to make, but I wanted to show you guys. I'm just throwing in the granola and mixing it up, and it is ready to eat. So my next recipe I'm gonna make, I needed to cook some rice, and that's for the pesto chicken. And then the other recipe is a ground beef. I put like provolone cheese over it, peppers, some sweet potatoes, just all of that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and make that. So I didn't show it here, but I added the olive oil. I threw in some cut up onions, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So I did have a couple things left on my to-do list I didn't get around to today, but I wanted to hang out with my family. I'd already been busy half the day, so I just leave that for the next day. So this is the end of the meal prep. This is the finished product. I have this along with a pesto chicken meal, and this always makes me feel good when I finish meal prep because I know I did something good for myself. I'm helping myself save time throughout the week, so I'm less focused on making meals and food, and I'm also helping with staying healthy or trying to be as healthy as possible when days get busy and I don't have time to make dinner, and instead of going and ordering some fast food, I can go ahead and just pop these in the microwave and we are good to go. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Let me know how you're doing. Also, check out Bellway if you are looking for a good fiber drink. I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.